happiness. We made it. We made it. Thank you, God. He answered my prayer today. Thank you so much. We made it. And now we're heading to Antalya. Like around 10 a.m. and we're by the beach. Can't really see. We're gonna look for food. We have not eaten lunch or dinner. I'm starving. Starving. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? And there's palm trees. I'm so happy. It's giving me very much LA, California vibes. Do you know what I mean? Like, hello. So we just had dinner. Now we're at this other place for dessert. As you can see, I'm really trying to keep my eyes open, but I'm trying to have the best time. So, you know, gotta stay positive. We're in Food in a Box. The place looks lush. I'll show you guys. We're just here for dessert because we're fat cows. We're actually staying in Malda Palace and it has like a swimming pool area. So we're gonna head there before breakfast. So to call taxis here for this place, you just press a button. How cool is that? This is what it looks like in the morning time. Wow. So we ordered a big breakfast, which is like a traditional Turkish breakfast. I'm super excited. Guys, So we're gonna head to the bazaar here in Antalya. This is the street. I'm sweating, so hot. Please excuse how I look. We're heading to the bazaar and then we're gonna head to the old town, which has like all the historic sites, ruins, stuff like that. What the F is going on? To the swimming pool now. I'm heading to town to get some dessert. Just kidding, we're gonna get dessert. And yeah, last night in Antalya, I'm so sad, but it was a great time. So in that video, we just witnessed a nikah and a Turkish wedding. It was so beautiful. They're having a beach wedding. We just finished getting dessert at Food in the Box. And we're just walking around by the beach. It's a basketball court. Checking out now, and we're gonna head for breakfast. I'm so excited. We're gonna have breakfast at the same place that we did yesterday because when I tell you that egg was bussin', it was bussin'. Y'all need to try this. We just finished our brunch. It's like around 12:30 now. And I think we're gonna head to the beach. We on the beach. I'm currently on a sunbed. Just enjoying the view. Life's so good. Life's so good right now. We're back in Antalya, if you can hear me. Just finished the beach and I'm so hungry. We have our suitcases and everything. This food court literally reminded me of the Philippines. I was like, am I back? And then I got, oh my gosh, my first Popeyes ever. It was bussin'. This was all 22 lira, which is less than €3, right? Yeah, less than €3. All of this is so good. First time trying Popeyes. We're at the Antalya airport. Just dropped our luggage on our flight to Istanbul. We're like an hour early, so loads of time still. I need to charge my phone because I literally have like 30%. So before we came, they were asking for a HES code. It's a requirement here in Turkey now. Basically like a locator tracking thing. Not quite sure, but yeah, you had to apply for it online. It's totally free. I got it off the government website. It's basically just a QR code that they scan so you can enter shops and airports and stuff like that. Got a Starbucks, ordered an iced chai tea latte, and luckily there's charging port here. It's like 2 hours free Wi-Fi, I think. So I'm making the most out of that before our flight. We're now boarding our flight for like 20 minutes delay. Let's go Istanbul. We made it to the bus station. It's around 8:20 now. Our bus to Haskovo leaves at 9, and then we're taking a taxi from Haskovo to Starzagora, which is like an hour long. Let's just say we've done too much traveling that I'm ready to pass out. So glad to go home. We went to the shops there to finish off the lira we had left. So yeah. Present day Kathleen, again back in Bulgaria. I didn't end up ending that video, that vlog, so here I am talking to you now. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog series of my time in Turkey, and I hope you guys are keeping safe, healthy, and well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, that's all from me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!